Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own website using Google AI Studio. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. You'll need a Google account to sign in. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean interface where you can interact with AI models. Now, here's the powerful part. Instead of writing complex code yourself, you can simply tell the AI what kind of website you want. For example, you can type something like, "Create a modern portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with a dark theme." And within seconds, the AI will generate code for you. Next, carefully copy that code and paste it into a code editor like VS Code or even Notepad if you're just starting out. Save the file as index.html, and then open it in your browser. Boom! Your website is live. If you want to customize it, just go back to Google AI Studio and ask, "Improve the design," or "Add a contact form," or even make it mobile responsive. You can keep improving your website step by step using simple prompts.